plot option. The Ternary plot option provides you the ability to look at two different inputs and charts. So similar input as what we saw for the enhanced plotting. It allows you to go in and capture up to 10 groups. And let's zoom in and let's take a look at this. The difference between this ternary chart input and the enhanced plotting is that the ternary chart allows you to look at threefold systems and to be able to capture numerical inputs for those three different endpoints associated with this. So where this is actually useful, let's go to the is in Shale Analysis. There are probably other entities that could be investigated. In this particular example, we're doing petrophysical composition associated with the shales, and we have identified the three different components. The numeric values that are captured behind over here in the three numeric input columns are representing the proportion of different samples within the group that is being investigated. What proportion is clay versus quartz versus carbonate. Similar to the data input on the enhanced plotting, you can put in labels associated with each of the individual markers, and you can go in and highlight via different marker colors for those groups. Let's go back to the click here to start and go to the options, where you can identify whether or not you want the point labels to be on or off is on the right hand side of the dialog, and you can identify whether or not you want to highlight the cells where you have put in marker colors via the on-off switches in here. Let's go ahead and in this particular example, I'm going to plot up group 5, 6, and 7, shale E, F, and G. Plot the data points up on the chart behind us. And it takes us over to the ternary plot chart so that you can see in here the different groups. Here is one data set associated with the shale E, another data set in here with two yellow highlighted markers in the triangular group associated with group 7, and a third group, third shale up in here. So this can give you a sense as to what is what do the components of clay, quartz, and carbonate am I going to be able to actually go in and fracture a particular reservoir associated with these.